Guys, don't sleep on this. Luxembourg is quietly opening doors. And most people have no idea. We're talking up to €4,000 per month. High-demand jobs. One of the richest countries in Europe. And here's the crazy part. Some of these roles don't even require a degree. So if you're serious about relocating, stay with me. Because I'm breaking everything down step by step. Luxembourg is small, but powerful. It has one of the strongest economies in Europe. But here's the problem. They don't have enough workers. This is a real labor shortage. And when countries need workers, they make immigration easier. That's the window. And 2026 is shaping up to be a big one. Now let's get into the good part. Where are the jobs? And how much can you earn? 1. Finance and banking. Luxembourg is a financial hub. Jobs. Account assistants. Compliance officers. Finance clerks. Salary, €3,500 to €7,000 per month. 2. Healthcare and caregiving. Jobs. Care assistants. Support workers. Nurses. Salary, €2,800 to €5,500 per month. And yes, caregiving roles can be entry-level. 3. Construction and skilled trades. Jobs. Electricians. Plumbers. General laborers. Salary, €2,500 to €4,500 per month. No degree. This is your lane. 4. IT and tech. Jobs. IT support. Software developers. Data analysts. Salary, €4,000 to €7,000 per month. Tech is booming. 5. Hospitality and logistics. Jobs. Hotel staff. Warehouse workers. Drivers. Salary, €2,200 to €3,800 per month. These are entry points. Start here. Grow later. The eligibility checklist. 1. Age. 18 to 45 is the sweet spot. 2. Passport. Valid international passport. No expired documents. 3. Basic language. English works. But if you know French or German, even better. 4. Job offer or skills. You either apply for jobs directly, or have a skill in demand. 5. Clean record plus health. No serious criminal issues. Basic medical fitness. And here's the key part, guys. You do not always need a degree. Skills are certificates. That's the shift happening globally. Step-by-step application. Let's walk through the exact roadmap. Step 1. Prepare a European CV. Keep it simple. 1 to 2 pages max. Focus on skills, experience, practical work. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Use these official platforms. ADEM, Luxembourg Employment Agency. Yours Portal. Guichet.lu. Apply daily. Don't apply once and relax. Consistency wins. Step 3. Get a job offer. Once you get selected, your employer helps initiate your work permit. This is critical. Step 4. Apply for work visa. Submit job contract, passport, proof of accommodation. Then wait for approval. Step 5. Travel and convert permit. When you arrive, you convert your visa into a residence permit. Boom! You're now legally working in Luxembourg. That's the full system. Simple, but powerful. Guys, this is your sign. Opportunities like this don't stay open forever. So don't watch this video and do nothing. Take action. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which country are you planning to move to? And what sector are you targeting? Let's talk strategy in the comments. And if this opened your eyes, hit that like button. Subscribe for more strategic immigration breakdowns. Because next time, we might be talking about your success story.